Welcome back to Cars Trends. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Honda Civic Type R, a vehicle that continues to push the boundaries of performance and design in the hot hatch segment. If you're a driving enthusiast seeking a blend of exhilarating performance, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive styling, the 2026 Civic Type R is poised to deliver on all fronts. The 2026 Honda Civic Type R boasts a striking exterior design that exudes both aggression and aerodynamic efficiency. The redesigned body features sharper lines and more aggressive angles, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The front fascia is dominated by a redesigned grille with a honeycomb pattern and a prominent Honda badge, flanked by sleek LED headlights that enhance visibility and add to its modern aesthetic. Aerodynamic enhancements, including a functional front splitter, side skirts, and a rear diffuser, not only contribute to its bold appearance but also improve high-speed stability. News. Ride-a-Cars.com. Stepping inside, the 2026 Civic Type R offers a driver-focused cockpit designed to enhance the driving experience. The interior is adorned with premium materials, including Alcantara and carbon fiber accents, providing a sporty yet refined ambiance. The bolstered sport seats offer excellent support during spirited driving, ensuring comfort on both the track and daily commutes. A redesigned steering wheel, complete with integrated controls, allows for intuitive operation of the vehicle's advanced features. The centerpiece of the interior is the updated infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen with smartphone integration, navigation, and a premium audio system to keep you connected and entertained on the go. Under the hood, the 2026 Civic Type R houses a refined powertrain that delivers exhilarating performance. While specific details are yet to be officially released, expectations are high for an upgraded turbocharged engine that offers increased horsepower and torque over its predecessor. This potent engine is anticipated to be paired with a precise 6-speed manual transmission, staying true to the Type R's performance heritage. Advanced suspension tuning and a limited slip differential are expected to provide exceptional handling characteristics, allowing drivers to confidently tackle both winding roads and track days. YouTube.com. The 2026 Civic Type R is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing both performance and safety. The infotainment system offers seamless smartphone integration, allowing access to navigation, music, and hands-free communication. On the safety front, Honda's latest driver assistance features are expected to be standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, providing added confidence during daily driving. In terms of utility, the Civic Type R maintains its practical hatchback design, offering ample cargo space for a vehicle in its class. The rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items, making it versatile enough for both daily errands and weekend adventures. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the Type R doesn't compromise on practicality, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts who need a daily driver that can also deliver thrills on demand. In the competitive landscape of high-performance hatchbacks, the 2026 Honda Civic Type R stands out with its unique blend of aggressive styling, potent performance, and everyday usability. It faces rivals such as the Toyota GR Corolla and Volkswagen Golf R, yet the Type R's storied heritage and Honda's reputation for reliability give it a distinct edge. With its anticipated enhancements, the 2026 model aims to set a new benchmark in the segment, appealing to driving enthusiasts seeking a car that excels both on the road and the track. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Civic Type R represents a significant evolution in Honda's performance lineup. Its aggressive design, driver-centric interior, anticipated powertrain enhancements, and advanced technologies make it a formidable contender in the hot hatch segment. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or navigating urban streets, the 2026 Civic Type R promises an engaging and exhilarating driving experience. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about the 2026 Civic Type R. Don't forget to subscribe to Cars Trends for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.